Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we'll explain what Tally and how it is used in accounting and business. By the end of this video you will understand Tally really and now how it helps in managing finance. What is Tally? Tally is an accounting software used by business to record financial transaction, manage account and generate reports. It is widely used in India and helps in tasks like billing, invoicing, payroll, and GST complaints. In simple words, Tally is a tool that helps business organize their financial data, save time and record, and reduce errors compared to manual accounting. Importance of Tally. Why is Tally important? Tally simplifies accounting by automating calculation and keeping records organized. It helps in tracking income and expenses, managing inventory and stock, handling payroll efficiently, ensuring GST complaints easily. This is why most business in India prepare Tally for accounting. Key features of Tally. Some main features of Tally are recording financial transaction, generating financial statement like balance sheet and profit and loss account, managing GST and tax complaints, handling payroll and inventory, easy data backup and secure access. This this feature makes Tally suitable for small, medium and large business. How to Tally works basic. Let's see how to Tally works step by step. You can see option create company. Enter. First, we create a company in Tally by entering the company name, address, financial year, and other details. Company name, volume. Okay. Address, state, Maharashtra. Okay. Pin code, phone number, telephone, mobile number, face, email, website. We are don't need telephone, mobile, web, email, website. Okay, enter. You can see financial year beginning from 1 April 25. Book beginning from 1 April 25. Enter. Okay. Active. Enter. Okay. We create a company. Step 2. Create ledger. We are create ledger. First, you can see create, alter, chart of accountant, voucher, daybook, multiple options. But I choose create for ledger account. Ledger. Okay. Ledger collection. Okay. Name. Here we will enter the name of the company owner. Capital account selection, capital account. Select capital account. Maharashtra, India. Okay. Enter, 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 enter. Accept. Okay. Second, bank account. Bank of India. This is the company account. This is the official account of the company. Bank of India. We will modify this. We will modify this bank account. Okay. We will modify this purchase account. Okay. Enter. Accept. Next, sales account. Sales GST. We will modify this sales account. Enter. Accept. GST. We will modify this food and tax. Accept. Net tax GST. This will not be changed. Accept. Net IGST. This will not be changed. Accept. Net transport. Transport. Direct expenses. Accept. Net electricity bill. We will, we will modify this indirect expenses. Enter. Accept. Net printing and stationery. Indirect expenses. Enter. Accept. Range. Indirect expenses. Salary. Indirect expenses. Accept. Telephone. Telephone bill. Indirect expenses. Enter. Accept. Water bill. Indirect expenses. Godrej. Godrej company. We will modify this tendering creditor. Enter. Accept. HTC company. HTC company. This will not be changed. Accept. Panasonic company. This will not be changed. Accept. Intact company. In company. This will not become enter, enter, accept. Their full company. This will not be Bharat Electronic Store. We will modify this candid editor. Arihant Mobile Store. This will not be candid editor. Enter, accept. Royal Electronic. This will not become candid editor. Enter, accept. Would like, would like. This will not become candid editor. Enter. Mobile sales and service. It will not become candid editor. Accept. So today we learn the process of creating a ledger in Teleprime.